Hey guys, Pikachu here, and welcome to another Team Fortress 2 unboxing. And this one's gonna be actually kind of short. Like, they added in these new crates here. And, yeah, I'm only gonna unbox 2 of them, and you're probably all like, what? You have a third key! Why aren't you unboxing anything with it? Go on, you gotta open those crates. You know what? I'm just unboxing these, because these, you can just buy strangers you get from these off the market now, so... Fuff. So yeah, they mostly have like strange parts and strange fires and kill streak stuff, but yeah. Use it with this. Turn my volume a bit. Come on, open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Heck, it's not opening. Heck, this isn't working. What? What is going on? Use with... Great. Yes, I'm sure. Now open... There we go. Cleaner's Carbine Strange Fire. Oh, goody. Okay. Because that's going to be useful. Okay, use this key with the other one. Oh wait, there it goes. Full health kills. That's pretty cool. Okay, that's pretty much all I wanted to do. Most of the video is just, was just me trying to get it to open. So yeah, let's make our Cleaner's Carbine Strange. Sort of backpack. Strange Cleaner's Carbine. Alright. I think I might add this to something. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please hit the like and subscribe button. So yeah, this is Mike, and I am out.